What happens if you die, alone in a room with your cat? Some say your cat might mourn you. Others say it'll eat you. Before we get into the dark truth, hit subscribe if you dare to know what your cat's really capable of. There have been real cases where people passed away at home, and days later their cats started eating them. Experts say it's not out of cruelty but survival instinct. The creepy part? Cats often start with the face. Some believe it's because they still recognize you. But hunger takes over. It's rare, but it's real. Still think your cat would never turn on you? Hit subscribe for more creepy cat truth.